Is your shoulder flared up and the pain just won't stop? Now putting on a shirt is a struggle. You feel 80 years old trying to reach behind your back and you're anxious every time you lift your arm overhead? Well, you're not alone, and I'm going to teach you my 3-step process to calm this down fast. My name is Dr. Joey Seyforth, and we've helped thousands with shoulder pain and impingement fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to teach you my 3-step flare-up protocol specifically designed for shoulder pain. But first, you need to understand why you're having these flare-ups. Most people think shoulder pain is just about the shoulder, but that's completely false. There are actually 5 key areas that must work together for pain-free movement. I call this the Big 5. There are 5 areas that we have to specifically target to not only get rid of the shoulder pain now, but prevent it from coming back in the future. The 2 areas are going to be the neck and also the thoracic spine. If you cannot comfortably extend and rotate in these segments here, the next place that you have to find the motion is going to be the shoulder. Third area to address is going to be the shoulder blade itself, not the down and back cue that's always given in traditional physical therapy, but teaching the shoulder blade to move up and around right here to that 60 degrees. If that's not achieved, we get pinching and irritation in this area. That impingement can be on bursa, which are fluid-filled sacs, or also the rotator cuff as it comes in to attach at that spot. 4th area that has to be addressed is going to be the shoulder itself. Shoulder is a ball and socket joint, meaning it needs to drop, roll, glide, and rotate a full 180 degrees. A problem in traditional medicine is we're given a bunch of strengthening exercises to a shoulder that can't get in half the positions. And then the 5th crucial area to address is going to be any nerve tension or referral that's coming from higher up that's translating into the shoulder. People with this presentation will do all the stretches in the book, go to bed, and when they wake up, all that tightness returns. It's because the area above the shoulder is not being addressed. So now that you understand the Big 5, let's use this knowledge to get you out of this flare-up with my 3-step protocol. The first step targets the neck and nerve components of the Big 5. We're going to calm down the muscles and decompress those nerves with chin tucks plus extensions. You're going to sit in a comfortable position. Start by gently tucking your chin straight back, not down, but back like you're making a double chin. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly extend your head back, looking up towards the ceiling. This decompresses the nerves that run from your neck to your shoulder and help reset the position of your shoulder blades. Remember, the neck is number 1 in our Big 5. If it's not moving well, your shoulder suffers. Now, for some of you, even this might be too much if you're in a very sensitive state. So what you could do, simply focus on the chin tuck portion with deep abdominal breathing. Do this for 10 to 15 repetitions, breathing deeply throughout. This addresses both the neck and nerve components of the Big 5 system. If you want to go deeper into this, the Big 5 training guide is linked right in the description. Now we're going to address the thoracic spine. That's number 2 in our Big 5. This exercise will restore this rotation you need for healthy shoulder movement. Hold a resistance band at chest height and kneel against a wall. With the band in both of your hands, you're going to start with your hands together in front of you. Rotate your upper body away from the anchor, pulling the band across your chest while following your hands with your eyes. When we're in a flared up state, we lose mobility in the mid-back, which forces the shoulder to overwork. This exercise restores that crucial partnership between your thoracic spine and shoulder. Do 2 sets of 8 to 10 rotations on each side. You should feel that opening up in your mid-back and shoulder without increasing your pain. Now, let's address the shoulder joint itself. That's number 4 in our Big 5 with stability work while using the kettlebell pull-through. Get into a plank position with a kettlebell next to one hand. Reach under your body with the opposite hand and grab the kettlebell and pull it through to the other side, keeping your core tight and hips level. This teaches the ball and socket joint we talked about to stabilize while moving. Remember, your shoulder needs to drop, roll, and glide. This exercise trains all those movements in a safe, controlled way. We're also integrating the shoulder blade movement here, getting multiple components of the Big 5 working together. This is how we build true shoulder stability. Do 2 sets of 8 to 10 pulls on each side. If you don't have a kettlebell, any weighted object works. You can also do this on your hands and knees to modify the movement. Now, when you're in a flare-up, it's one thing to temporarily modify your movement for a few days because it's triggering pain. That's not a big deal. But if you're modifying your movement for weeks or months, believing that if you lift overhead or do a wrong movement, you'll flare up again, you're convincing yourself that you're staying injured. A lot of people are giving advice like never lift overhead, avoid all painful movements, or just stop when having pain. That is not good advice for long-term relief. The goal is to calm down your symptoms, address all 5 components of the big 5, and get you moving normally again as quickly as possible. You shouldn't fear movement. You should understand it and master it. This simple process has helped thousands get out of a flare-up by addressing the real problem, not just the shoulder, but the entire big 5 system. But you might be thinking, okay, once I get out of the flare-up, then what? How do I address all 5 areas completely and become bulletproof again? Well, that's why you need a comprehensive plan, and I have something for you. If you're ready to finally get over this shoulder pain and get to the root cause behind it, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.